Okay. Quick walk around, because I don't remember if I did that with this one. I think I might have lost the footage, so I'm going to do this again. So the best thing we like about this bus is the storage boxes. This one won't open. This one does. Hey, look. Goes through all the way. Like 6 feet. Another set of 2, 6 more feet. This is the battery box. This right here is this thing. Wires everywhere. Wires everywhere. And we got, I don't know what this is for, but something. Used to be something, or it's easy access for something. And here's where we have all our chrome. It's my favorite. Chrome up here, Bluebird chrome, coolant, chrome. This is for the cold weather plug, heat up the diesel engine. There's a door, more storage. You can see it right there, and there's one on the other side you can barely see it. I'll show you. Here's where we fuel it. There's these. It's got a little dent right here. I think it might have been the same incident, same side. 2 more there. So, not too bad. 40 foot. I think it's really like 38, 39. Tires got super nice tread on it, steel. Before we started ripping it up already. I already showed you this side, so. Bus driver, you tired? So, well, it'll work so far. One day, got a full day in. All right. Hey, everybody. So we're really tired, but look what we did. We took out all the seats. Bella, say hi.
Hi.
That's only 2 of the crew. I wish I would have got a video with everybody, but my mom, my dad, my sister helped. Everybody. We took this off right here because it had a little lip on it. We wanted it flush. We started taking the floor out. It was a little bit, we kind of knew it was already. It's rotted on this side. It's got some rust right here. Luckily there's no holes. We can't find any holes there. So it's not super soft. Really good. We'll just take that rust off. That's the plan so far anyway. We only got to here with the floor, but we got all the seats up, we got all the sides up. We took that panel off. Took that big old long rack right there. They took that off when we were at lunch, so thankful for that. Not bad for a first day. We're tired, but we're happy, right, babe?
Yes, baby.
Big progress for day number 1. Thank y'all for watching. All right, guys, we made some progress in 3 days. We bought the bus on Sunday. We bought the bus on Sunday, so we got to work on it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's Thursday. What time is it?
It's 12.
It's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. So we worked on it 3 days and like 4 hours. So take a look. What do y'all think? All we really worked on was taking out the seats, which was super hard work. Taking off the floor, the original flooring, because oh man, it was bad. It was rusted, not rusted, but wet, and it was falling apart. No mold or nothing like that, but it was super bad. Take a look at our new floor. We put the floor in, as you can tell, we use this ESP. What do you call it anyway? EPS foam. It's a foam board. We just call it a foam board. 1/2 inch thick. And we put some, well, you can see right here. We put these for support, and the foam board, and then the 3/4 inch plywood. And we really like the way it turned out. It turned out really nice. We pull these. We're gonna leave the skin on, and we're gonna put some insulation right here beside the skin, and then we're gonna put some kind of, I don't know. We're thinking tongue and groove, some kind of a tongue and groove or shiplap type of stuff. But I had to take this piece off because it had a little bump on it for the wires, and I didn't really like it. So we got some plans. I don't know if they're good plans or not because it's our first bus build, but we're super excited about it. Baby, are we excited? We got you on camera.
I'm excited.